Hello students, you have already studied halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. The next type of compound is hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. That is alcohols, phenols. Alcohols and phenols are hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. But ethers are not a hydroxy derivative. It is alkyl or aryl derivatives of alcohols and phenols. So in this lesson, alcohols, phenols and ethers, three category of compounds are studied. First of all, alcohols. What are alcohols? Alcohols. Hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are called alcohols. What are alcohols? Alcohols are hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. Alcohols may be regarded as dialkyl derivatives of water. Alcohols are hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons, aliphatic hydrocarbons, or dialkyl derivatives of water. Take some examples of alcohols. This is OH group, hydroxy group. This group is called hydroxyl group. This is hydroxyl group, and R is alkyl group. Alkyl group. And R is hydrocarbon chain of aliphatic hydrocarbons. For example, if R equal to CH3, this is called methyl, and methyl group attached with OH, hydroxyl group. This is the first member of alcohol, known as methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. If R equal to C2H5 and OH as a functional group, then it is called ethyl alcohol. That's why alcohols are hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Now alcohols may be classified in different ways. First classification of alcohol is based on the number of OH group present in alcohols. Since alcohols are classified as number one, aliphatic alcohols, second, allylic alcohols, third, vinylic alcohols, and fourth, benzylic alcohols. According to the nature of hydrocarbon chain alcohols may be classified as aliphatic alcohols, allylic alcohols, vinylic alcohols and benzylic alcohols. In case of allylic alcohols, hydroxyl group means OH group is directly attached to a saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon chain, and all the aliphatic alcohols are generally represented as ROH. ROH is the general formula of aliphatic alcohols. Depending on the nature of alkyl group, aliphatic alcohols may be classified as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols, and depending on the number of OH group, they may be classified as monohydrate, dihydrate, trihydrate and polyhydrate alcohols. So first of all, classification of aliphatic alcohols. How aliphatic alcohols classified? On the basis of number of OH group present in aliphatic alcohols, they are classified as monohydrate, dihydrate, trihydrate and polyhydrate alcohols. Monohydrate, monohydrate alcohols, dihydrate alcohols, trihydrate alcohols and polyhydrate alcohols. Monohydrate alcohols, dihydrate alcohols, trihydrate alcohols and polyhydrate alcohols. Mono means one. Aliphatic alcohols in which only one OH group is present, called monohydrate alcohols, and all the monohydrate alcohols are represented by general formula ROH. Dihydrate alcohols, di means do, yani two. Di means two. Alcohols containing two OH group are called dihydrate alcohols. Tri means three. Alcohols containing three OH group are called trihydrate alcohols. And poly means more than three, means alcohols containing more than three OH group called polyhydrate alcohols. Now, monohydrate alcohols further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Monohydrate alcohols are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Primary alcohols or 1 degree alcohols. Primary alcohols are represented by general formula RCH2OH. This group is called primary alcoholic group. All primary aliphatic alcohols are represented by general formula RCH2OH. CH2OH is known as primary alcoholic group. Secondary alcohols that is 2 degree alcohols. All the secondary alcohols are represented by general formula R-CHOH, and this group is called secondary alcoholic group. Third one is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohols or 3 degree alcohols. All the tertiary alcohols can be represented by general formula R R dash R double dash COH, and this group is called tertiary alcoholic group. Classification of monohydrate alcohol into primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol depends on the attachment of hydroxyl group to the carbon atom of hydrocarbon chain. In case of primary alcohol, OH group is attached to primary carbon. This is primary carbon. And in secondary alcohol, OH group is directly attached to the secondary carbon. This is secondary carbon. And in tertiary alcohol, OH group is directly attached to the tertiary carbon. In all these alcohols, hybridization state of carbon is sp3. In all cases, primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols, hybridization state of carbon atom of alcoholic group is sp3. It means in all the monohydrate alcohols, alcohol contains sp3 carbon oxygen bond, sp3 carbon OH bond, COH bond. This is all about primary monohydrate alcohols. Means monohydrate alcohols are classified as primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Primary alcohols are represented by R-CH2OH, secondary by R-CHOH, and tertiary by R-R-COH. Where R and R- or R may be same or different alkyl group. Now, dihydrate alcohols. Dihydrate alcohols are classified as weak diol and gem diol, means vicinal diol or geminal diol. Weak means vicinal, weak diol, weak diols means vicinal diol. This is dihydrate alcohol. In this type of alcohol, two OH groups are present on adjacent carbon atom like this. This is a vicinal diol. And gem diols, in this type of alcohol, two OH groups are present on the same carbon atom like this. And all the gem diols are unstable because of the presence of two OH group on the same carbon, and it easily lose water molecule to form carbonyl compound like ketone in this case, acetone in this case. So all the gem diols are unstable and loses water molecule to give carbonyl compound. Next type of alcohol is allylic alcohol. Trihydrate alcohols. Trihydrate alcohols means alcohols containing three OH group on adjacent carbon atom or any of the three carbon atoms. For example, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is very important trihydrate alcohol. It is known as glycerol or glycerine. Its common name is glycerol or glycerine. It is a trihydrate alcohol. And last one is polyhydrate alcohols. Alcohols containing more than three OH group called polyhydrate alcohol. For example, CH2OH, CHOH, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 CH2OH. This is a polyhydric alcohol known as mannitol. In this alcohol, more than 3 OH groups are present on addition carbon atom. This is all about aliphatic alcohols. I repeat, aliphatic alcohols may be classified as monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols, and polyhydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols are further classified as primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. But in case of dihydric, trihydric, and polyhydric alcohols, there is no important classification. Simple classification in case of dihydric alcohol is weak and gem. Vicinal dihal are stable, but geminal dihals are unstable. And no further classification in case of tertiary, trihydric alcohol and polyhydric alcohol. But trihydric alcohol may be weak and gem. 3 OH group. If 3 OH group present on the same carbon atom, then OH group present on the same carbon atom, then after the loss of water molecule, we get carboxylic acid. This is again unstable. Gem diol and gem triol all are unstable alcohols, and they lost water molecule and change into stable compounds. This classification is not important. Only the classification of monohydric alcohol into primary, secondary, and tertiary is very, very important. Next type of alcohol is allylic alcohols. What is allylic group? This is allylic group, and this carbon is called allyl carbon. When an OH group is directly attached to this carbon, this is called allylic alcohol. This is allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol may be 1 degree, 2 degree, or 3 degree. They may be primary, secondary, or tertiary. This is 1 degree allylic alcohol. If one of the hydrogen of allylic carbon gets substituted by alkyl group, then it becomes secondary allylic alcohol. And when all the two allylic hydrogen are substituted by two different alkyl groups, then we get 3 degree allylic alcohol. This is 1 degree allylic alcohol, 2 degree allylic alcohol, and 3 degree allylic alcohol. Just like monohydric alcohols, allylic alcohols may be classified as 1 degree and primary allylic alcohol, secondary allylic alcohol, and tertiary allylic alcohol, because this is the primary alcoholic group, this is the secondary alcoholic group, and this one is the tertiary alcoholic group. Next type of alcohol is vinylic alcohol. What is vinylic group? CH double bond, CH2 double bond, CH. This is vinyl group. If OH is directly attached to this group, we get vinyl alcohol or vinyl alcohol. This is vinylic alcohol. And last one is benzylic alcohol. What is benzylic alcohol? Aliphatic alcohols in which OH group is attached to the side chain of the aromatic ring. This is aromatic ring and this is side chain. Side chain. This is aromatic ring. Aromatic ring or aromatic nucleus. In case of benzylic, this is an example of benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohols. In case of benzylic alcohol, OH group is attached to the side chain of carbon chain, which is attached to the aromatic ring. And next topic is nomenclature of alcohols. I repeat, aliphatic alcohols are classified as monohydrate, dihydrate, trihydrate and polyhydrate alcohols. Allylic alcohols are further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Vinylic alcohol is very less because they are unstable compounds, so they are not very common. And last is benzylic alcohol, in which OH group is directly attached to the carbon of side chain, hydrocarbon portion, and side chain is directly attached to the aromatic ring or benzene ring. Now about the nomenclature of alcohols. There are three systems of nomenclature of alcohols. One is common system, second is cardinal system, and third is IUPAC system. In common system, monohydrate alcohols are named as alkyl alcohols. In common system, monohydrate alcohols are named as alkyl alcohols. For example, CH3OH is known as methyl alcohol. CH3 CH2OH is named as ethyl alcohol. CH3 OH CH3 is known as isopropyl alcohol. CH3 OH is named as tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. This is common system of nomenclature of monohydrate alcohols. In common system, monohydrate alcohols are named as alkyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol means this is alkyl group. First name is name of the alkyl group and second term is alcohol. Methyl group, methyl alcohol, ethyl group, ethyl alcohol, isopropyl group, isopropyl alcohol, tertiary butyl group, tertiary butyl alcohol. In this system, first word is the name of alkyl group and second word is alcohol. In case of dihydrate alcohols, since dihydrate alcohols are of two types, vicinal diol and jejunal diol. Vicinal diols are named as alkyl glycols. Alkyl glycols. This is common name of vicinal diol. For example, CH2OH OH. This is called ethylene for 2 carbon. It is called ethylene according to the rule alkylene glycols. So it is named as ethylene glycol. This is called ethylene glycol. If 2 OH group present on distant carbon, means if 2 OH group present like this, CH2OH, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. These groups are not present at adjacent carbon atom, but present at the end carbon atoms. This is most distant carbon atoms. In this case, the rule is polymethylene glycols, because CH2 group is called methylene group. This is called methylene. 1 methylene, 2 methylene, 3 methylene, 4 methylene means tetramethylene glycol. Its name is tetra 1, 2, 3, 4. Tetramethylene glycol. So this is the common system of nomenclature of monohydratic and dihydratic alcohols. But for trihydratic alcohols, there is no rule, there is no common rule in trivial or common system. Trihydratic alcohols are named by their source. For example, glycerol. Glycerol is named as glycerol because it is obtained from glycerides. CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is called glycerol. Why? Because this is obtained from glycerides, means this type of alcohol present in oils and fats. That's why it is named as glycerol. There is no common rule, no certain rule in common system for the naming of trihydratic alcohols. Next system of nomenclature is cardinal system. In cardinal system, alcohols are named like as CH3OH. This is methyl alcohol, means in this system, methyl alcohol is known as carbonyl. Methyl alcohol is known as carbonyl, and all the alcohols are named as the derivatives of methyl alcohol, means derivatives of carbonyl. For example, CH3, CH2OH. This portion is called carbonyl and this is methyl, so it is named as methyl carbonyl. This is called methyl carbonyl. If CH3, CH2, CH2OH, this portion is called carbonyl and this is ethyl, so it is named as ethyl carbonyl. Ethyl carbonyl. If two different alkyl groups are present, CH3, C2H5, CHOH, this portion is called carbonyl, so it is named as ethyl methyl carbonyl. Ethyl methyl carbonyl. Ethyl methyl carbonyl. If two identical groups are present, like methyl methyl, so it is called dimethyl carbonyl. If two ethyl group is present, called diethyl carbonyl. If one methyl, one phenyl group is present, called methyl phenyl carbonyl. Like this. C2H5, CHOH. This is called carbonyl, and 2-ethyl group known as diethyl carbonyl. This is carbonyl system with CH3, C2H5, C6H5, CHOH is present. Then this is called carbonyl, and two groups, ethyl phenyl carbonyl. This is carbonyl system of nomenclature of alcohols. And the last one is IUPAC system of nomenclature of alcohols. In IUPAC system, alcohols are named as alkanols. It is already discussed in detail in class 11. So it is your homework. Means in this system, alcohols are named as CH3OH. Alkanols means methane minus E plus R equal to methanol. Ethane minus E plus R equal to ethanol. Propane minus E plus R, propanol. Okay, this is all about definition, classification and nomenclature of alcohols. Now the next member of hydroxy group is phenols. First of all, there is confusion between the terms phenol and phenols. What is the difference between phenol and phenols? One word is phenol and other is phenols. Phenol is parent member of phenols family. This is the parent member, first member of phenol. Phenols are also known as phenolics. Phenols or phenolics. This is phenol. This is not a phenols. It is only phenol. But phenols is a family, class of compound. Okay? It is a class of compound in which OH group is directly attached to the carbon atom of benzene ring. Okay? This is the main difference between phenol and phenols. Phenol is the parent member of phenol family. And what are phenols? Phenols are definition of phenols: hydroxy derivatives of arenes. Arenes means aromatic hydrocarbons. Hydroxy derivatives of arenes in which one or more OH group is directly attached to the carbon of aromatic ring, that is benzene ring. Hydroxy derivatives of arenes in which one or more OH group is directly attached to the carbon atom of aromatic ring or benzene ring called phenols. For example, this is phenol because OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. This is also a phenol. All are monohydrate phenol. Just like alcohols, phenols may be classified as monohydrate, dihydrate and trihydrate phenols. These are monohydrate phenols. In monohydrate phenols, only one OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. But in case of dihydrate phenols, two OH groups are attached to the carbon atom of benzene ring. These are dihydrate phenols. And trihydrate phenols in which three OH groups are present at different carbon atom and directly attached to the benzene ring, called trihydrate phenols. These are trihydrate phenols. In case of monohydrate phenols, only one OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring, and rest substituents are present at different positions with respect to OH group in benzene ring. This is the first member and named as phenol. And all these members, three members of monohydrate alcohols, are known as cresols. These are known as cresols. Since methyl present at ortho position of OH, so it is called orthocresol. This is called orthocresol. And methyl in this phenol present at meta position, so it is called metacresol. And this is called paracresol. These are monohydrate phenols. In case of dihydrate phenols, dihydrate phenol may be symmetrical or unsymmetrical. First two members, these two dihydrate phenols are unsymmetrical phenols. This is unsymmetrical. And this is symmetrical. Unsymmetrical and symmetrical dihydrate phenols. Like dihydrate phenols, trihydrate phenols may be symmetrical and unsymmetrical. This is symmetrical phenol, and these are unsymmetrical phenol. Unsymmetrical phenols. Now about the nomenclature of phenols. Phenols are named by two systems, only common system and IUPAC system. In common system, phenols are named as the derivative of phenol. All phenols are named as derivatives of phenol. Phenol का derivative मान के नाम देते हैं. Okay? And position of the substituents are indicated by ortho, meta and para with respect to OH group. For example, in common system, this compound is known as phenol, and cresols are named as ortho methyl phenol, meta methyl phenol, and para-methyl-phenol, or it is named as orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol. This is common system of nomenclature. But in IUPAC system, monohydrate phenols are named as the derivatives of either derivative of ethanol or derivative of benzene. For example, it is named as phenol or it is named as hydroxybenzene. Hydroxybenzene. Phenol, IUPAC name of phenol is hydroxybenzene. And cresols in IUPAC system named as one methyl orthocresol named as 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 methyl 1 hydroxy benzene 2 methyl 1 hydroxy benzene. This is IUPAC name of orthocresol. 1 hydroxy 2 methyl 1 hydroxy benzene, or its name may be written as orthomethylphenol or 2-methylphenol. But according to IUPAC system, 2-methyl 1-hydroxyphenol is the correct name. Metacresol is named as in IUPAC system 1 2 3 3-methyl 1-hydroxyphenol, and paracresol is named as 1 2 3 4 4-methyl 1-hydroxyphenol. This is named as 2-methyl 1-hydroxyphenol. This is named as 3-methyl 1-hydroxyphenol, and this is named as 4-methyl 1-hydroxyphenol. So this is IUPAC system of nomenclature of monohydrate phenols. Now the nomenclature of dihydroxyphenols. Dihydroxy and trihydroxyphenol named as in common system as well as in IUPAC system. In common system, this member is called catechol. Catechol. This is common name of this dihydrophenol. This is called resorcinol. This is resorcinol, and this one is called quinol. Quinol. Catechol, resorcinol, and quinol. This is common name and well popular name. Okay, these are better known by their common names: catechol, resorcinol, and quinol. But in IUPAC system, it is named as how? As a derivative of benzene. 1,2 dihydroxy benzene, 1,3 dihydroxy benzene, and 1,4 dihydroxy benzene. This is 1,4 dihydroxy benzene. Like this. Like trihydrate alcohols, trihydrate phenols may be named by any of the two systems, either by common name, common system, or by IUPAC system. In common system, this member is known as pyrogallar. This is called pyrogallar. Pyrogallar. This is called hydroxyquinol. Hydroxyquinol. And the last one is known as fluoroglucinol. Fluoroglucinol. This is common name. Pyrogallar, hydroxyquinol, and fluoroglucinol. But in IUPAC system, they are named as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4 trihydroxybenzene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5 trihydroxybenzene. 1, 3, 5 trihydroxybenzene. This is all about phenols. Then what is major difference between alcohols and phenols? In all the alcohols, OH group, that is hydroxy group, is directly attached to the aliphatic hydrocarbon chain. While in phenols, OH group is directly attached to the carbon atom of aromatic ring, that is carbon atom of the benzene ring. And the last member of this lesson is ethers. What are ethers? Alcohols are generally written as ROH and phenols are written as AROH. If H hydrogen atom of alcohols and phenols are substituted by alkyl group, this is called ether. If it is substituted by alkyl or aryl group, this is called ether. Then how will you define ether? Ethers are alkyl or aryl derivatives of alcohols or phenols. Ethers are alkyl or aryl derivatives of alcohols or phenols. Ethers may be regarded as dialkyl or diaryl derivatives of water. Ethers are alkyl or aryl derivatives of alcohols or phenols, or you can say dialkyl or diaryl derivatives of water are called ethers, because water is written as HOH. If all the hydrogen atom of water are replaced by alkyl group, we get ether. R and R dash may be same or different. If they are replaced by alkyl and aryl group, we again get ether. This is the definition of ether and its general formula. Ethers are generally represented as ROR dash, RAR dash, AR, etc. Now, classification of ethers. Ethers are of two types. Aliphatic ethers and aromatic ethers. Aliphatic ethers may be symmetrical or unsymmetrical. Aliphatic ethers may be symmetrical or unsymmetrical. And unsymmetrical. Symmetrical ethers are written as ROR and unsymmetrical ROR dash. In this, both the alkyl group are identical, like C2H5O C2H5 diethyl ether. This is symmetrical ether, and CH3O C2H5 is unsymmetrical ether. Now, aromatic ethers. Aromatic ethers may be symmetrical. Aromatic ethers may be classified as aromatic ethers. One is diaryl ethers and other is aryl alkyl ethers. Diaryl ether is written as AROAR or AROAR dash. Means diaryl ether may be symmetrical or unsymmetrical, but aryl alkyl ether or alkyl aryl ether are always unsymmetrical. They are always unsymmetrical and represented by general formula AROR, where AR represents aryl group and R alkyl group. This is all about the classification of ethers. And last point of this introduction is nomenclature of ethers. Ethers are also named by two systems. One is common system and other is IUPAC system. In common system, ethers are named as dialkyl ether or diaryl ether. For example, this is common system. Common system of nomenclature of ether. For example, C2H5O C2H5. It is written as diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. C2H5 C6H5O C6H5. Diphenyl ether. Okay, and in IUPAC system, in this system, ethers are named as alkoxy, alkane, alkoxy alkane. In case of symmetrical and unsymmetrical ethers, alkoxy word includes smaller alkyl group and ethereal oxygen. This oxygen is called ethereal oxygen. Ethereal oxygen is the functional group of ethers. This oxygen means ethereal oxygen is the functional group of ethers. When ethers are named by IUPAC system, then the term alkoxy includes a smaller alkyl group with ethereal oxygen. For example, CH3O C2H5. This is for alkyl group. So alkoxy term is written by these two species. You can say methyl group and ethereal oxygen. This is called methoxy and ethane. Methoxy ethane. Likewise, you can write IUPAC name and common name of different aliphatic and aromatic alcohols. This is all about the introduction of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Thank you.